This video is supported by DIY Guru, the makers learning platform. Saurav Kumar, an engineer and an aspiring youngster from India. In 2011, he started his career as a software developer at Oracle in New York. Later, he joined Yahoo for a change with an unimaginable package of $150,000, which is equal to 1 crore 6 lakhs per annum. But the next year, he resigned to Yahoo for accomplishing his passion. In 2014, he started his own startup, Cube26, an Android app enhancement company. Later, it was bought by Paytm. But finally, in 2018, he established Euler Motors, an EV startup. They are manufacturing electric three-wheelers in India. Their team is highly inspired by the work done by the Tesla and decided to be a part of India's EV mission. The company has been running a pilot project in Delhi NCR in collaboration with logistics providers like Big Basket, Ecom Express, Udaan, Milk Basket, Blue Dart, etc. Euler Motors provided them 170 electric cargo vehicles at a price of 38,000 rupees per month for a eco-friendly last mile connectivity. Also, Euler Motors has set up 70 electric vehicle charging stations across Delhi. The company claims that with a single charge, their cargo electric vehicles can give a range of 80 to 100 kilometers and they can carry a load capacity of up to 500 kgs. The company currently making their own 5.76 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery packs for its vehicles. Currently, diesel vehicles operates at 2.5 rupees per kilometer, while Euler vehicles runs on 0.6 rupees per kilometer. Bloom Ventures and Emergent Venture, along with angel investor Andrew Lee, invested $2 million in Euler Motors. Currently, in Euler Motors, 200 people are working, and the company performs its research and manufacturing in its 3 centers in Faridabad, Haryana, and along with Okla industrial area. With a supply chain across Europe, China, and the US, Euler Motors currently has a monthly production capacity of 50 vehicles at its Faridabad facility, and it targets to increase that to 200 units per month by 2020. Euler Motors to launch electric three-wheeler light commercial cargo vehicle by early 2020. The company aims to become the category leader for cargo transport by driving the EV revolution in India. What an inspiring EV story. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.